kill or be killed.
One shot, one kill.
Alright, we don't need this. Here, take that out. We don't need that in here. I need that tape back in here so I can put a lid on this. There you go.
Braid, check.
Hey, what about that gap up there?
Y'all see gaps in our system?
No, it's tape on the inside.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, I'm coming in.
Alright.
Braid, check.
Where's Bear? Was that Bear in yet? Alright, get out. You can poke your head in at your own risk.
Hey, no, y'all stay ready out there.
Alright, give me a piece of tape right here. Like a door.
I think the tape's out there.
Come on in, Kevin brought it. Over there. Make it so we can like. Oh, never mind. Don't do that because I'm probably gonna be able to get it off. So I can tear the whole thing down. It's pretty sticky tape.
Okay.
Alright.
Just gonna run with that?
Yeah, we'll just run with that.
Alright.
Like so.
You got your hammer and crowbar?
Yep, they're over there. On the other side of the vacuum cleaner. Alright, I'm removing the tape.
Remove the tape.
Alright, tape is.
No, whoa, turn the vacuum on.
Hold on, let's get it removed first.
Alright, I'm ready.
Hey, we don't have a knife in here, do we?
Yeah, I do, but it's under my thing.
Yeah, same.
Alright, Darcy, get my
Hold up,
knife
hold up,
out of my
I
hat.
can get it. I can get
We're
it.
good?
What do you need?
Got a knife.
A blade?
Oh,
Yeah.
knife's right there.
Alright,
Ready with the power switch.
AC is covers removed. Sound like NASA, don't we?
I'm gonna put Rocco and Bear in this.
Alright.
So Charlie's like, where's Rock? Rock, come on, because he's behind here. Rocco, come on. Rocco, come. You need to turn that thing on. Come on.
Alright, filter out the way. Hold on.
You know
hold on.
what? I'm gonna need, I didn't bring in a screwdriver. I need a Phillips screwdriver.
Hey, is this the plastic for the AC right here?
Yeah.
So we need the tape ready to wrap it up, right?
Yep. Put that right there. Tape's right there.
Alright.
Alright, need the tape. Alright, get a piece of tape ready to go.
Send me the,
We're making the first contact.
we have not seen any alien life forms yet. We are digging into their hive. Roger? Roger. Over. What does that show? Aliens where Sigourney Weaver had to fight the
Oh, you gotta pop all that trim off?
They are so getting angry right now.
Yeah, they're pretty fit.
You don't need a screwdriver?
Yup.
Oh, you got it?
No, where you at?
It's on the floor.
Okay. Thank you.
Shut nail.
Yup.
You want to puncture your suit?
That would be detrimental.
We're losing oxygen.
Another. All right. We may not need it. Yeah, we're still gonna need it because I think I got it screwed on the inside. You know me, overkill.
All right.
Shh. They don't know we're here yet. I don't hear them.
Well, that's good, Dave. I made
We
that far.
sound for some kind of wood damage.
Hey, just
All
get
right.
ready to
All
hit that green button.
We have contact. I just saw one run down behind the heater.
Uh-oh.
Down there.
We've made contact.
I think that's part of their nest.
All right, well.
Do we got power? Yeah, we're good.
Whoa. That's
What
not
did you do,
good.
Kevin? You brought us a broke one? We're in trouble. We're not
Test
going
it.
to survive.
Test the equipment. We gotta test it. All right.
That does not sound good
That
when
does
you're
not sound good.
when you're a million miles from Earth. Screwdriver.
Yeah, faulty equipment.
Love your head here.
Wow, really? They couldn't bring us a combo pack in case we had to have a straight head?
What is this?
Oh, wrong one. Why is Bear barking?
He's in the bedroom, babe.
So what is that attached to the frame?
What is that? What kind of creature is that?
Like a stink bug or something?
It's a stink bug. We need to suck that up, please. Before it stinks. All right, good job. All right, stink bug has been eradicated. Good word.
Alright, we're opening up our own termite company. Screw anything else. We're gonna be, what do they call them, guys?
Exterminators.
Exterminators.
Right now, Kevin, we have not succeeded against the queen hive, and you're asking to fight another battle? What is wrong with you, man?
Whoa, whoa, bro. Whoa, bro.
Oh, here we go.
Easy, killer.
All right,
Okay. What is that?
remove said AC.
Look at that, bud.
Yeah, no, because we blocked it off.
Uh-huh.
All right, now I think when I grab this and pull, it's supposed to come to me.
You ready to suck?
Okay. Yeah, stand
Is
by
that-
the power button.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna grab this and set it on the plastic. You need to move out the way, or somebody needs to move out the way.
I got the palm.
Sliding the plastic.
Oh, get the tape ready.
Yeah, tape's ready. So just fold it over it and then.
Yeah, we're just gonna grab it.
Alright, so you want me to
snatch it
tape or just vacuum? I can't do
Well,
both.
right now we're gonna just hold the tape, hold the vacuum. When you see it next, when you see the hive attack,
Yeah.
you need to arm for battle.
Alright, ready?
One,
Daddy, walk like you.
two, three. Oh, there they are. There they are. Oh yeah. Down there. Coming out. Just hit it right in the hole. They're not gonna hit you, Kevin. You got a seat on. Hold on, bro. Alright. Hit him at the hole, bro. There you go, just like that. We have contact. If you got food, wrap him up in the plastic. We don't need that. Everywhere. Keep it on the hole.
They're flying out of my face.
We're not gonna bite you. You gotta shoot him.
This is so sketchy.
Keep him at the hole.
They're all flying from outside.
Alright, I got it.
Give me now the vacuum.
No, not. That's all you need. Get the spray. Spray. How you working, Simmons? Just push.
Aim your fire.
This thing's broke.
Alright, spray number 2.
Alright, hold on. Look. See, they're coming out to this side. Spray number 2. Alright, look. Don't spray the hole. Why would we not spray the hole? Because we want them to come out. See what? That's good. Alright, look.
Need more spray.
Yeah, well, get them right there. Look. Just hit them. Kill them right now. We got gloves. Just kill them.
They're immune to the spray.
No, it takes a second. All right, calm down. Relax. What?
They're up here.
Where's up here?
I got them.
All right, they're not coming out. It's okay, they're not coming out.
That's what we need the vacuum for.
What? See, look, that's what. Gotta let them come back. See? Watch. See? Boom, got him. Boom, got him. Boom. Hey, you look slick. I got you, boy. That's good, Dustin. Don't waste it all. We gotta go into the wall with it. We gotta go into the wall with it. you're in the air, you're shooting in the air. It's like shooting a drone with a shotgun. That's hitting it. Hey, give me the screwdriver. Give me this thing bigger. Wow, look at my wall move. Yeah, that's what I said. Look at the move. Alright, we need to, there's a screw right here. Gotta get that screw out.
Quiet.
We gotta know better than what bear means. We can't see you.
I can't reach up there.
Kevin, here, suck it. Well, then get that one up there first. So with the women stop behind you.
I don't see it.
Yeah, you can't do that. You'll suck the whole damn house down. Give me that. Look, they stopped coming out. Got to screw down the bottom. Screw over there. Dustin, just keep taking the screw out.
Need machine gun fire.
You got fucking suit on.
That's not the guns.
It doesn't matter. We're
bulletproof.
protected. We got like bulletproof vest on. They can't get us.
You gotta keep them out of the house. Just two up top.
I don't know. You gotta look.
Whoa, get him.
It's all right, Dustin. They gotta get over here.
Get him.
Do a little cleaning while I'm over here. I don't feel anything up top, but you can check. Got this snag got out the air.
Go.
Get one over here, get it out. Go. Let me suck them out real quick.
Oh, now you want to suck them out.
No. All right, I got to remember they're on the bottom of this thing too. Yeah, they're on the car. Those are the ones that got away. All right, give me the, I need the nail, I need to pull this board up, these boards off.
Bar. We need an hammer? Bar.
Hammer and bar.
Bar.
Just toss that out in the yard. All right, get these off.
What?
These boards.
Hammer.
That'll do it. That'll work.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Well, I guess they shouldn't like this whole nail out. my bee suit? You gonna take me out?
Sabotage.
You always wanted to be the captain. This is my ship. I'm in the nails over, okay? Yep. Pull that nail out right there. Right there. Pretty good. You gotta keep watch right there. They won't climb up.
That looked like the queen. Pretty big one. I win.
Look at that. Look at all that shit out there. Look at me there. Come here, Darts. I'll show you where they were. GoPros in there making the beeping noises.
Yeah, I know.
There's nothing here. Don't take care. I got it blocked off on the outside.
Freddie, they're inside.
It's okay. There's only a couple.
We'll spray them.
David, the baby, I got more stuff in there right now than
Okay,
you think.
Freddie,
Look,
they're in
look,
the
look,
corner.
look. Come here. Look.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. You better spray it because they're all
They've
in the
been
corner.
sprayed. Okay, look. Make sure spray. Spray. Get closer. Alright. Feel better?
Yeah,
Okay.
because I think I got that one.
Okay, come over here. Get close. If you're alright, there's nothing left. You see it? You see that
I'm
boy?
gonna take a picture of this.
You see that boy?
Oh,
Oh, there's one right there.
yeah, no
He
joke.
survived. Hey, he's dead now.
That's what we heard, Chrissy.
What?
They're on the inside trying to get out.
Oh. Yeah, 'cause
See that? See this pocket right here?
Yeah.
It's right against the back of the
Are they
heater.
trapped in the pocket?
Yeah.
Oh, snap.
I got you.
So I had to cut that off, and they were all right. That whole nest was right there.
It was all right there.
They're right there.
And see where that paneling is ripped right there.
Yeah, this is where they were coming through.
Incredible. Guys, y'all rock.
I know Kevin and Dustin did a great job. I don't do
I said,
anything.
guys, I think you're a guy last time I checked.
The last time